Hi, welcome back to Stop Over Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report someone on threads. Maybe you have come across a user who is engaging in harmful or inappropriate behavior. So today I'm going to show you how to report someone on threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, scroll to your feed or use the search function to find the profile of the person you want to report. For example, I will search the user. So, tap on the search icon located at the bottom right side of the screen. In this search bar, type the username or name of the person that you want to report. Once you have found the user, simply tap on their profile to access their account. Once you are on their profile page, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu below with several options. Now, to report this user, simply tap on this report option. A menu will appear, and here, tap on report account. In this window, you will be asked to select the reason for the report. Choose the most appropriate option that aligns with the user's behavior you wish to report. For example, I will select this. It is posting content that should not be on threads. Next, I will choose hate speech or symbols. Once you have selected the reason, you can now tap on this Submit Report button to complete the report. After that, you now have successfully reported a user on threads. The platform's moderation team will review the report and take necessary action according to their policies. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report someone on threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report someone on threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.